Fully welded thermal fixed ball valve, one-time welding forming process. Deep within the energy artery, every weld is the last line of defense. Conventional welding, stress and distortion have long plagued massive thick wall valves. A 200mm groove demanding 0.5mm precision is beyond human reach. Cengon's self-developed twin torch SAW plus intersection line tracking distributes heat evenly, binds the joint automatically, and completes the pass in one shot. Stress, distortion reduced to zero. Linked to Volvoc, parameters are captured and stored in real time. Every weld is issued a digital birth certificate. Fully traceable for life.